Hello everyone, this is Fawad Ahmed, and today I will be ordering a product which is a power bank. I really need this one. I'm from Rajshahi and load shedding is a very common thing here, so I had to order one. I'll be ordering it on Peekaboo. One thing to be noted that this is not sponsored video. Peekaboo nor the brand I'm buying this product from, none of them are giving me any money to make this video. I'm buying it with my own money. However, I am going to order it. Hello again, here is my product. I will be unboxing it now and I will show you what comes inside the box. Okay, lots of hard work here. So interestingly, there are different variations of this product, like there is 10,000 mAh, 20,000 mAh, even 30,000 mAh. Charging speed also varies from 15 watt to 20 watt to 25 watt, even 65 watt also available. So I didn't go for that fast because I don't have that speedy charger. However, the product I have bought, it's actually 20 watt. Okay, so here it is. There is this charging cable. They didn't give the adapter, just the cable, and there is this manual. No one actually reads it. There is this cute stickers, and here is the hero of today's video, the product. So this power bank is from Baseus. I think I have watched lots of reviews and heard about positive feedback of this product, so I bought this one. So on the right side there is this on and off button. Also there is this cute display where you can see the charging percentage, how much charge left. Okay, so the adapter is not very long, very short, so I don't think I will be using this adapter. I'm gonna connect my sister's phone because I'm making this video with my phone. Okay, so the bad thing is that I couldn't connect the adapter they sent along with the power bank, so I'm gonna connect it with the charging cable of my phone's charger. So let's just check. You can see that it's connected to the phone and yeah, it's charging. Okay, I'm sorry for this weird angle. Okay, so here it is. It's actually working. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching.